Right, so they say this one is called fast hands. We're going to find out how many ping pong balls we can put in the pan. Oh, it's just a ping pong ball then. Okay, using the egg lifter. How much balls do you have over there? 3?
2.
And I have 3. 4. So how come Neville have 4?
Oh, over here.
How come Neville have 4 balls and I only have 3?
Because they give me the harder one.
But then you can win. Obviously.
Hold on, I put
no,
in a
but
room.
if you have 4, then you have the probability of winning because you have 1 more than I. You
So
had 2 more than I. You thief. Now we have equal amounts.
All right.
It's not me put it.
It's not me put it there. No, it's
the producer is trying to code the
no,
game.
the producer said
it.
make it harder for Neville. I heard that clearly.
Yes, Nev. But if the aim of the game is to put as many ping pong ball into the bucket, and you have more ping pong ball than me, ergo, your balls will win. Yeah. By you have more balls.
Yeah. All right, but I have a new rule for the game.
I don't interest.
Put that down, please. Yeah. Put on the blindfold, spin round, and we start. That's how we have to do it quick. And then you spin round after you put on the blindfold. Then you have to find back the thing.
I forgot to add on my gloves. Okay, Neville, don't put on your blindfold loose because he's a thief. Spin round.
Yeah?
Wait.
Come back now.
Spin.
I spin already. I spin already. And then you have to find the table. And then you find the spatula.
Neville, you took up my spatula.
What?
What is wrong with you teeth? Why are you such a crook?
See it right here.
You stole it.
Oh, I feel it and you don't feel it.
Am I to feel for the ball or no?
No.
Neville, don't feel for the ball. Oh, we are going nowhere. Neville, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it!
I am Sheffield. Don't are doing the right thing, sir? Thank you. Oh, that reached down there, sir. Where's him?
Wait, I feel the balls. I feel. Where is it gone? I just had it.
I'm putting on my glasses. Yes, I have my glasses. Very nice. So.
Strategy. Nope. Strategy is gone wrong.
Chef, what you know? I mean, I the everything, then? Oh, no, it's Simone.
No. Is it me? It's not me. Can't be me. No?
Oh, to your right.
It gone? What is never really... Nev, the sound effects of what you're doing is killing.
All right, don't know them, sir.
No? Stop looking at me. I can feel your eyes on me. Oh, and then usher in. Ah! Neville, what are you doing over
Take off your blindfold now. What will I have no ping pong ball?
Boy, that's a lot of cotton in
Oh,
your...
I have one.
You cheated. What did you do?
I just went like this.
Did you cheat, Chef?
No, that's what I went
Clive?
like. Yeah.
You cheated. See, Clive is saying you
News time. We are
Boy, you thief. You're coming
no,
like
I
a
went
puss.
like that.
You Jamaican people say you thief like a puss?